Today I'm going to show you how to build yourself a hammock stand, and you don't need any trees. You will need 3 4x4 posts and a few 2x4s as well, along with your tools, which I have listed below in the description. You'll also need 4-inch wood screws and some 6-inch bolts. On 2 of your 4x4s, measure from one side and mark a 45-degree line at the 80-inch mark. This will leave you with about an 18-ish piece on the other side. Move them to your miter saw and then cut those in place. I love my battery-powered Craftsman miter saw for on-the-go jobs like this one that I'm not near a power outlet. Once those are cut, sand off any frayed edges so that no one gets a splinter. They should look something like this. Don't throw out those offcuts though, the 18-inch-ish pieces on the other side of the 4x4, as you're going to need them for support to keep the other 4x4s upright. I'm using my 2x4s as a straight edge line to see where the cutoffs should go. This piece is crucial for keeping the structure supported. Stand the cutoffs on their upright and use the 2 2x4s on either side and screw them in place. You can use PL Premium or a wood glue of your choice. Side of the 2x4s. Make sure you do this on a flat and level surface and that the angled cut is flat to the ground. Use your wood screws to keep them in place, but essentially your bolt is what's going to keep the structure. Flip it all on its side and pre-drill a hole right through the 2x4s and the 4x4 and pound the bolt in. Do this on every single joint. Remember, you're going to have a human or sometimes 2 or 3, and it needs to be heavy duty. Secure it on the other side and then use a 4x4 piece in the center to keep the 2 lengths together. This is just a bit more for stability, less strength. With the remaining 2x4, I cut 4-foot lengths and I screwed them into the ends. This is going to be a stability piece that will keep the structure standing upright. Once your stand is built, this part depends on the hammock that you chose, but I just held it up for reference where I wanted it roughly. And I screwed in these 2 stainless steel hooks that will attach to my hammock. The key to this though is not using wood screws. Their heads aren't strong enough, so I used GRK bolts instead. GRK bolts are equivalent to like a deck leg bolt, and they're very strong. They're engineered